Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Ill Modesty. I know I am posting this video a little later than usual. I didn't think I would even be able to post a video, and we'll see because I still have to edit this and upload. And it is getting a little late, but I wanted to get something out to you, especially for those of you who likes to really participate in the affirmation cards, okay? But before we do that, I want to tell you what we're doing today. Today, I have my scent box, and I'll go ahead and open this for you and tell you what I got. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. It has been a whirlwind of a week, and today is Friday, and I'm recording this on a Friday. And although I have other videos up ahead a little bit, I kind of spoke to the date, so I didn't want to mix it all up. Before we get started with the scent box, though, I want to go ahead and do a bit of gratitude. These are usually my Mondays, but I'm feeling a bit of gratitude today on a Friday. And I do have some, good news. Even though I'm moving September 1st, the owner did decide to go ahead and give me the keys on Friday, on the 30th, and that's really going to help, August 30th. So I will be able to do a little bit there after work and kind of, clean up the place before I move everything in, and maybe I'll take that day to record for you while it's still empty, okay? So I can share with you my move. But like I said, I'm full of gratitude today, so let's work on a gratitude card. Let's see what we see today. Okay. Oh, I like this. It's a nice blue card. Okay. And it's by Will Arnett, and he says, I am happy because I'm grateful. I choose to be grateful. That gratitude allows me to be happy. This is all about me. This is a me card. Will wrote this for me. I am happy because I'm grateful. I choose to be grateful. That gratitude allows me to be happy. And that is so true, because I told you in the past and my other videos that my life hasn't been, beautiful my whole life, nor is it 100% beautiful now. But I'm grateful for what I have. I'm grateful for the things that happen to me. And because I think I project that gratitude and a positivity as much as possible, those things actually are returned to me by the universe. And I've been having a real big issue with FedEx and also with Wayfair. I said the company, I didn't mean to, but I'm so aggravated with them right now because they promised me, I called them to place an order for a bed, and the salesperson said, no, I promise you it won't be delivered early, at the earliest September 1st, but more likely the 3rd. We're running a little late. And so of course, being COVID and everything being late, yeah. So what happened was it was delivered on the 25th, and of course, it was just left there. And is it there anymore when FedEx goes to pick it up? I don't think so. And so I had a real big issue because although I had 2 representatives to tell me that, no, we're going to go ahead and make this right for you because we see that, you make that specific request. But then a supervisor had to be contacted because the 3rd person, I checked in again because, trust but verify. The 3rd person said to me, well, no, because, you ordered it and it was delivered. So we held up our end of the deal. So I had to talk to the supervisor. I explained the whole thing from beginning to end. And I did so in a very positive manner. I didn't yell. I didn't scream. I explained the facts. And I gave the facts and why I think Wayfair should make this right. And at the end of the whole big story, I think she was prepared to say, no, we're not going to do that. But after my story and after talking to her person to person, she said, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and send you my name, my email address, and my direct phone number. And I'm sending it to you via email right now. And it came in as we're talking. And she said, I want you to call me. When you get there, take a look. If it's not there, I will make it right for you. And I don't think I would have gotten that response had I started yelling and screaming. And believe me, I was yelling and screaming on the inside, saying, why? And, well, why can't you make this right? And so, because the person I was talking to prior to her was frustrating me because she didn't give me the answers that the other two did. And everything was documented. And I had all the numbers I needed. And so, but, I have gratitude. I'm grateful that I could even order a bed to begin with, right? And I'm grateful that I have recourse. And at the end, when I project that positivity, it comes back to me in a positive way. Okay? Let that be a lesson, because it was a lesson to me, because believe me, at one point I really wanted to start screaming at this lady, but I didn't. So yeah, it's a good card. Here, I'll hold it up for you guys. Okay, so that's that. And let's get going with the scent box. And I ordered 2 scents this time, and one, I meant to change it, and I didn't. My bad. And I already have it. And I'm not even going to spray that one. It smells like scent. Of course, why not? And I get the 2 fragrance pack, and it comes like this, and they come like this in its own container. And right now they have a deal of $9.95 if you sign up now for your first one, and your second one will be free if you use the code I will put below. And so your first one already will be like $9.95, and then second one will be free. So if you're interested in getting this, go ahead and do that. I'm very happy with it. This is one of my favorite subscriptions. And because they send me what I want. And if it's not what I want, even though I thought I wanted it, out of the 2 I get, I can return one. No fuss, nothing. Just return it to them, pick my next scent, and they send it to me as this one is going back to them. So it's a great deal. And this is about the only company, Scentbox, that actually does that for you. I know Scentbird does not. And I did have them earlier, but I did cancel it. And another thing too, the Scentbox will only send you this piece. Except for the your very first one, they will send you one of these with it. But every time I have to change the fragrance, unlike Scentbox that sends you these each time. And different color scents, very pretty. And so I believe I get the premium one, and I end up paying $29.95 for 2 of the premium brand. But like I said, your first one will be $9.95 right now. They do have a deal. And then your second one will be free. And what I ordered this time is one of them I already do have, and I forgot to cancel it. And that is here you go. There's a photo of it. And this is, why am I drawing a blank here? Oh, Black Opium by Tom Ford. And this is it right here. And I'm not going to spray it because I already own it. But I will spray the other one. But I do love, love, love this. That's why I ordered the full size. And I'll tell you a little about it. It's Black Orchid Parfum. Perfume by Tom Ford is an oriental floral fragrance for women and men. And Black Orchid Perfume was launched in 2020. Top notes are truffle and plum. Middle notes are ylang ylang, rum, Black Orchid. The base note is patchouli. And yeah, and that's that. So, according to this, there's 87 ratings, and it has 4 out of 5 stars. And it is woody, classic, evening, and good for fall. But these are definitely based on the feedback that people give. So just because this is fall doesn't mean you can't wear it in the winter. Matter of fact, this would be a great winter fragrance. I think a little bit heavy for spring and summer, but there's no rules. You do what you do. Do you, okay? And I do love this fragrance. It is a premium fragrance by Tom Ford, and I do definitely enjoy it. But like I said, I'm not going to spray this on because I want to give this one, put this in a future giveaway, and that's what I'm going to do. Okay, the next fragrance I received is also a premium fragrance, and this is La Vie est Belle by Lancôme. That's the only thing I like from Lancôme. I hate their makeup, but I really like this fragrance, and it is premium. And I did order another one like this, but I think it was different in that it was La Vie est Belle something else. Yeah. And this one has 425 ratings with a 4.5 out of 5 stars. And this is what it says. La Vie est Belle is a new Lancôme fragrance available on the market from fall of 2012. It's not so new anymore. The concept of this fragrance is centered on an idea of natural and simple beauty, freedom from conversations, and the choice of one's own vision of happiness. Oh, no wonder I like it. The fragrance is kind of an outlook on life, inspired by, it just jumped on me, by joy and pleasure in small things. This gourmand yet elegant composition is developed by perfumers Oliver Polge, Dominique Rapillon, and Anne Filippo. The final formula is a result achieved after 3 years of probation and 5,000 versions. Iris is the key ingredient of the perfume, surrounded by orange blossoms and jasmine at the heart. The composition's opening provides fruity flavors of blackcurrant and pear, while the base is warm, gourmand, and powdery due to almond-like accords of tonka bean, praline, patchouli, and vanilla. And even though it sounds really fruity and flowery, it doesn't. It isn't, because the tonka beans, patchouli, those two things kind of settle down those gourmand, not flavors, I want to say flavors, but fragrances. And that's this one here. And this just twists up, and you can remove this. If you run out, you can save this or not. And the fragrance is actually listed on the bottom here on each of these, so you don't have to pull the bottle out like you do with other fragrances. So look, and I'm going to go ahead and spray this because I didn't put on any perfume today. Okay? Oh my gosh, this is such a beautiful fragrance. And if you like a nice, light, floral-like fragrance with a lot of happiness and joy, like they say, this is it for you. Because, I'm going to buy this full bottle. I know that. I'm just saving the points in order to do that. And so here it is what the bottle looks like. And I'll be honest with you, this is one of my favorites. And I don't care for Lancome products at all. And I think you guys heard me say that. But this, I have to give it to them. I mean, the fragrance is just so beautiful. And it's not sweet because I don't like sweet. I like floral, but not sweet. I like a nice base of spiciness to my floral or my fruity fragrances, okay? So this is very nice. And I do highly recommend. And, this is something that I would myself give 5 stars for. And I enjoy it. So, yeah, that's it. Those are the 2 things I got. I got the Tom Ford's Black Orchid, which is going into the giveaway, in a future giveaway, and La SV Belle by Lancome, and love it. Yeah, that's it, my beautiful wildflowers. I hope you guys are having a good day, and I hope you guys had a good week, because it is Friday if you're watching it today. And I'm getting very excited. The background hasn't changed at all, because I'm trying not to do too much back there during the week, because I do have a full-time day job, and I have to drive in. That's why it's late today, because I had to drive into campus, because my computer finally died, and they had to do an exchange, which ended up being a whole day deal. So, yeah. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I hope you enjoyed it. And if I added any value, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you like this type of content, please do hit subscribe, hit the bell button, and click all so you know every time I upload a new video. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I want you to have a good day, a good night, a good week, or good weekend. Whenever you're watching this, it doesn't matter. Just remember, never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.